Creating Intelligent Systems, Unraveling the Power of Artificial Neural Networks is a book that explores the capabilities and potential of artificial neural networks, ANNs, and creating intelligent systems. It provides insights into the design, implementation, and optimization of ANNs for various applications. The book covers a range of topics related to artificial neural networks, including 1. Introduction to Artificial Neural Networks, an overview of ANNs, their historical context, and their role in machine learning and artificial intelligence. 2. Neural Network Architectures, exploring different types of neural network architectures, such as feed-forward networks, recurrent neural networks, RNNs, convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and more advanced designs. 3. Training and optimization, techniques for training neural networks, including backpropagation, gradient descent, and advanced optimization algorithms. 4. Deep learning and representation learning, understanding the principles and applications of deep learning, which involves training deep neural networks to automatically learn hierarchical representations of data. 5. Neural network regularization and optimization, strategies for preventing overfitting and improving the performance of neural networks through regularization techniques and optimization algorithms. 6. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs, examining the architecture and applications of CNNs, which are particularly effective in image and video analysis tasks. 7. Recurrent neural networks, RNNs, exploring the architecture and applications of RNNs, which are well suited for sequential data analysis, such as natural language processing and time series prediction. 8. Transfer learning and fine-tuning, techniques for leveraging pre-trained neural network models and adapting them to new tasks. 9. Neural network interpretability and explainability, approaches for understanding and interpreting the decisions and predictions made by neural networks, enhancing transparency and trust. 10. Applications of artificial neural networks, real-world examples and case studies showcasing the application of ANNs in various domains, such as computer vision, natural language processing, robotics, and more. The book provides a mix of theoretical foundations, practical examples, and implementation guidelines to help readers understand and harness the power of artificial neural networks in creating intelligent systems. Please note that the book referenced here is a fictional title generated by the AI language model, and the content described is a general representation of what you might find in a book on artificial neural networks and intelligent systems.